Let's be honest, you're probably hiring technical product managers all wrong, and it's costing you time, money, and innovation. Bad hires stall roadmaps and frustrate engineering. They burn cycles and budget. Worst, they kill your product momentum. We get dazzled by fancy resumes. Or hire someone who talks a good game but can't execute. This guide is your tourniquet. A repeatable, fair process to fix hiring. You'll get clear steps to assess candidates effectively and compliantly. Skills to test, soft skill checks, sourcing strategies, tools, and legal phrasing, plus real answer examples. Let's break down what you're actually looking for. Forget vague job descriptions. Get specific. Must have deep technical background. Must have system architecture understanding, APIs and data structures. Must have familiarity with the software development lifecycle and engineering trade-offs. Must have business acumen, market dynamics, pricing, P&L literacy. Must have metric-driven decision-making. Explain impact on revenue or retention. Nice to have machine learning or advanced analytics experience. Nice to have security, infra, or mobile platform depth depending on your product. Top soft skill, elite communication. Explain complex tech to non-tech stakeholders. They listen more than they talk and act as a diplomat between teams. Obsessive user focus. They ship solutions that solve real pain. Strategic thinking. Roadmaps that balance short and long-term wins. Look for humility. Can they work with engineers, not above them? The rare combo of technical depth plus business savvy separates good TPMs from great TPMs. Next, how to design interviews that uncover these traits, not just rehearse answers. Your interview is a diagnostic tool. Ask generic questions, get generic answers. Design a gauntlet that tests the specific skills we outlined. Scenario: engineering needs a quarter-long refactor, sales needs a new feature to close a deal. Walk me through your decision. Weak answer: I'd try to find a compromise. Vague and unstructured. Strong answer uses a framework. Quantify risk versus reward. Work with engineering. What's the failure risk and maintenance cost? Validate with sales. Actual deal value and likelihood to close. Produce a short business case with recommendation and timeline. Behavioral. Tell me about a time you disagreed with an engineering lead. Red flag. Blaming the engineer or escalating to their boss to force an outcome. Strong answer: I listened in a one-on-one. We phased the rollout to meet the sale while re-architecting long-term. Look for empathy, partnership, maturity, and commitment, not ego. If you use take-homes, keep them short, focused, and respectful of time. Example: one-page PRD or 5-slide strategy deck with key metrics. This tests written clarity, strategy, and ability to distill complexity. Next, where to find top TPMs and the tools to evaluate them fairly. You can't catch big fish in a small pond. Top source: employee referrals. Your people know your culture. Second, proactive LinkedIn search. Sales Navigator, Recruiter Lite. Third, niche product communities. Slack, Discord, Mind the Product School. Engage, comment on posts, build relationships before pitching. Send hiring managers to meetups and conferences. Face-to-face wins trust. Have engineering leads co-source and participate in screening. Use an ATS and consistent pipelines. Use structured interview loops and scorecards. Evaluate the same competencies for every candidate. Tools like Ashby and Greenhouse help collect consistent feedback. Avoid unstructured coffee chats that introduce bias. Make take-homes time-boxed, compensated if heavy, and directly relevant. Every question should map to a competency on the scorecard. Use side-by-side candidate comparisons to make apples-to-apples decisions. Next, avoid bias, check motivation legally, and run thorough reference checks. Final stages are dangerous. Gut feelings can derail you. Don't over-index on pedigree. Big company experience may not translate. Avoid rushing to fill due to internal pressure. That's a recipe for failure. Use legal structured phrasing to assess fit. Describe the environment where you're most productive. To assess motivation, ask, which accomplishment are you most proud of and why? Do thorough reference checks. Ask managers and peers how they handled pressure and earned trust. Hiring is an investment. A methodical process improves ROI. Ready to stop gambling and start winning? Subscribe and visit peopleteam.com/hiring for detailed guides. Thanks for watching.